Hello students, Unit 1 Prose Love for Animals 5th Standard English Notes Part 1 Warm-up activity Task A Fill in the boxes with letters so that you get the names of animals. One has been done for you. Ox Ox Dog Dog Goat Goat HORSE Horse MONKEY Monkey GORILLA Gorilla KANGAROO Kangaroo CROCODILE Crocodile Task B Discuss in groups how animals are helpful to us. After you discuss, write down in the space provided the names of the animals and how they are useful to us. Serial number animal. How is it useful to us? Usefulness. Number 1 Ox ploughs the field. Second one Dog save or protect our house from thieves. Third one is goat give us milk, wool. Fourth one is horse we can ride on horse. Vocabulary. Main one give the opposites of the following words. First one more, less. Second one remember, forget. Third one always, never. Fourth one first, last. Fifth one soft, hard. Sixth one near, far. Second main, match the words in column A with the names in column B. A column and B column. First one, sage, Ramana Maharshi. Boys, dogs, cow, Lakshmi. Storyteller, grandmother. Friends, Lucy and Nitin. Third main, find one word for each of the following from the lesson. Coming back, return. Second one, slow movement of the snake, crawl. Third one, a place where sages live, ashram. Comprehension. C1. Answer the following. Where were Lucy and Nitin going? Answer. Lucy and Nitin are returning home from school. Second question. What did they see? They see a man walking with his pet dog. The man is trying to tell his dog something. The dog seems to be answering him by barking. Third question, why were the animals attracted towards Maharshi? Because Sri Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi loved animals and birds. Even animals were attracted to him. He spoke to them just as he would speak with people. Fourth question, where did Ramana Maharshi keep the animals? These animals lived in his ashram. Fifth question, what happened one day when he was sitting by the hillside? One day Maharshi was sitting on a hillside. A snake crawled over his legs. He didn't move nor show any fear. Later, someone asked him what he felt like when the snake crawled over his legs. He replied, cool and soft. Sixth question. How did he feed the peacocks? Ramana Maharshi called the peacocks by making sounds of their cries. Then they would go to him and eat the peanuts, rice, and mangoes from his hands. Seventh question. Why did Ramana Maharshi not allow anyone to kill snakes? Ramana Maharshi never allowed people to kill snakes in his ashram. He said, "We have come to their home and we have no right to trouble them. They do not trouble us." Eighth question. Who told stories to Lucy? Lucy's grandmother told stories to Lucy. Discuss with your friends and answer the following questions in 4 to 6 sentences each. First one, describe Ramana Maharshi's love for animals. Sri Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi loved animals and birds. Even animals were attracted towards him. He spoke to them just as he would speak with people. Yes, he called the dogs boys. He used to say, "Are the boys eating their food?" And he called his cow Lakshmi. He used to say, "Give Lakshmi some rice." These animals lived in his ashram. He always fed the animals and birds first. He ate only after feeding them. Even birds, Ramana Maharshi called the peacocks by making sounds of their cries. Then they would go to him and eat the peanuts, rice, and mangoes from his hands. One day Maharshi was sitting on a hillside. A snake crawled over his legs. He didn't move nor show any fear. Later, someone asked him what he felt like when the snake crawled over his legs. He replied, "Cool and soft." Second one, what did Ramana Maharshi say about killing of snakes? One day Maharshi was sitting on a hillside. A snake crawled over his legs. He didn't move nor show any fear. Later, someone asked him what he felt like when the snake crawled over his legs. He replied, cool and soft. Language exercises. First main, fill in the blanks with the ing form of the verbs given in the box. Check the spelling of the new words. First one, the boys are running. Second one, I like playing cricket. Third one, the fish is swimming in the water. Fourth one, Nalini is reading the newspaper. Fifth one, the girls are dancing. Second main, rearrange the words to frame meaningful sentences. All the sentences begin with Ramana Maharshi. First one, Sage A. Ramana Maharshi was. Answer is Ramana Maharshi was a sage. Second one, animals and birds Ramana Maharshi loved. Answer is Ramana Maharshi loved animals and birds. Third one, people to kill never allowed snakes. Ramana Maharshi. Answer is Ramana Maharshi never allowed people to kill snakes. Fourth one, first animals fed the Ramana Maharshi. Answer is Ramana Maharshi first fed the animals. Third main, sit in pairs and exchange your ideas about the pet animals you have at home. Make sure you use present tense while doing so. Lata. Hi Radha, how is your cat? Radha. Oh, hello Lata. My cat is fine. How is your pet dog? Lata. He is also fine. Radha. If your dog and my cat are meet, then the quarrel begin. Laughing. Fourth main, speech sounds. Sound that ring, n and ng. Say a long ng. Where is the back part of your tongue? Practice making ng sound ring. Now say these lines aloud. Ding dong. Sing a song. Drumming, humming, humming, drumming. Please like, subscribe and click the bell button icon.